This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer Light 274 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 29 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, microwave, slide-out, spare tire kit, LP detector, leveling jacks, smoke detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer Light 274 BHS is 7,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.